guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So it is hard to believe that it is that time of the month again for my Stitch Fix try on, unboxing, what have you. I swear my Stitch Fixes are coming sooner and sooner, like almost a week sooner than they're scheduled to come these days. I don't know how to stop that unless I just like email them and say, yo, calm down. Cause like seriously, I got it a full week earlier this time than I was scheduled to, which just kind of throws off my schedule for getting these videos up. I got this box in October, but it's my November fix, so I don't know. Stitch Fix, slow your roll. But for this fix, my stylist Caitlin, I love that she commented that she understands completely my whole only keeping one item rule. She totally gets it, that whole adulting thing, you know, finances, fun stuff like that. So for this month, because again, it came way earlier than expected, I didn't actually get to write out what I wanted for this month, so I'm gonna have to do this as soon as the video is over. Like go on and write the things that I want out for the next fix. But for this month, my stylist did send me a collection of quite a few things. I really like everything. Again, I'm only keeping one. I'm only keeping one and I have my reasons. So my stylist sent me a sweater, a hoodie, a pair of pants, a skirt, and a backpack. I'm gonna end with the item that I'm keeping. I'm gonna start with the item that I'm definitely not keeping and then kind of work to the ones that I kind of played around with and then end it with the one that I am keeping. Also, in case you didn't know, this is fix number 43 for me. Been getting these for a while. So the first item that I'm not keeping is this hoodie. It is by Mondetta Sport, which I'm pretty sure I've never come across that company before. And it is the Dria hooded zip jacket. Size small, retails for $59.99. Yes, a black hoodie retails for pretty much $60. That's the main reason why I'm not keeping it. Literally a black hoodie retailing for $60. First of all, y'all probably know my favorite color to wear is black. I'm wearing navy today, so just ignore that. I have black hoodies, a lot of black hoodies. I have plain black hoodies. I have black hoodies with writing on them. I have band black hoodies. You name it, I pretty much have a black hoodie. I don't need another one, especially that is $60. There was one other thing that I didn't like about it. It is a size small, but it is a very tight size small. Once again, women's sizing is completely jacked. I don't know what's going on with it. People need to get on the same page. But this is a size small. Around here, it was okay. I probably wouldn't zip it up if I wanted to be truly comfortable, which is what I want in a hoodie. But the arms were really tight for whatever reason, and they hardly had any stretch to them until you got down here to the wrist. It was just not a good look. Also, the zipper comes up. Normally, the zipper would end here, where the hood starts, but it comes up even further. For a black hoodie, I was genuinely surprised at how much I disliked it. Again, there's nothing special about it. It is quite literally a black hoodie. The only redeeming quality of it, besides being a very basic black hoodie, is the thickness of it. It was incredibly thick. This is something that I could wear and it's snowing outside and I could just wear this and probably be fine, which is probably why it was a little bit more snug, is just because it's got such thick layers to it. That's not enough to keep it. A black hoodie for $60. That was a hard no. Next item are these pants. These nice gray pants. These are by the company 1822 Denim, and these are the Shelly Release Hem Skinny Jean, color gray, size 4, and retails for $48. These, along with one other item, are the cheapest in the box. The only reason why I'm not keeping these is because I have a pair of gray skinny jeans very similar to these that I got in Stitch Fix several boxes ago. It was probably last year sometime, and I don't need another pair. It also has that raw hem down here that I'm not a fan of. It's growing on me a little bit more, but it just gives that unfinished look to it. I'm not quite on board with that look yet. These feel really nice. There's a lot of stretch to them. They fit like a glove. I really enjoy the fact that they give you real pockets and not those fake ones that you kind of have to cut open. That is like, you know, prone to happen with women's pants. I don't know why. Mostly the hem down here at the ankle, as well as the fact that I have a pair of really nice gray jeans, very similar to this without the raw edging on it. I don't need two pair, one pair is fine. If I didn't have the pair that I have, I may consider this a little bit more. Again, this bothers me a little bit, but I could roll it up, which is what I tend to do with jeans or pants of any kind, especially if they're skinny jeans. I do tend to roll them up a little bit. So then that way you wouldn't be able to see it, but I already have a pair very similar to this. don't need to. For $48, it is a pretty good price though. It was really comfortable to have these on. I felt like I could move, I had a lot of mobility. They felt really nice, they looked really nice, but I already have a pair very similar to them. Kind of going off on the same reasoning is this burgundy skirt. The skirt is by the company Just Black, and it is the Tatiana denim skirt, size small, retails for $58. I really like this skirt a lot, and I almost kept it. This was almost my item that I kept. But then I kept saying to myself, Gretchen, this looks very familiar. This looks like something you already own. Like, go back and check your closet, just double check. I have a corduroy skirt, same exact color, same exact length, same exact fit from, I think, Altered State or something like that. I already have that. I don't need two burgundy skirts, even though this one is denim and that one is corduroy. This one could be worn more than just like fall and winter. This one could be worn in the spring, though burgundy is not really a color you wear in the spring, but that's beside the point. Wear a color whenever you want. Doesn't matter what season it is. But I'm just like, I already have a burgundy skirt. Again, much like the gray jeans, I don't need two burgundy skirts. If I didn't have the current burgundy skirt that I have, I probably would have kept this. But again, I already have a pair. I don't need two. This one really felt nice. It fit well. Probably not something I could wear to work. It was a little shorter above the knee, so unless I wore tights with it or something like that, probably couldn't get away with wearing this to work, but a nice night out or something like that, definitely. It also has pockets in the back and in the front. Real pockets, again, like a phenomenon. We want pockets, people. Give us real pockets and deep pockets, not those little things where you can get like the tips of your fingers in there. We want real pockets. Let's put our phone in there. Also, something to note. So I mentioned with the gray jeans that I don't like the raw hem look on the ankle. Skirts are a different case. This also has like that raw hem feel. I like it on skirts. Don't ask me what the difference is, but apparently there is one in my brain. I don't like it on pants, but I like it on skirts. Go figure. So I will be sending these back a little bit reluctantly, but I can't justify having two pair of a similar color skirt. That the only difference is the material. And I really like my corduroy one. It's really cute. I'm very sorry, skirt. You are a nice skirt. This next item I thought was gonna be the thing that I kept, but my mom is the reason why I'm not. And that is this really interesting sweater. As you can see, there are different colors with it. This is by Mason and Belle, and it is the Avianna long sleeve pullover, size small. Retails for $48, so the same price as the pants. It says the color is camel. I guess that's the main color. I liked the sweater well enough. It didn't look like stellar on me or like, you know, stunning or anything like that, but it's a cozy sweater, so you know, I'm on board with it. But then I showed my mom and her gut reaction to it was so intense that I was like, oh, never mind, we're gonna put that one back. She thought it was atrocious. I mean, I guess in a way it does kind of look like baby throw up, like that color, I don't know. It's a nice little cozy sweater. Got a lot of colors in there. It's got white, black, kind of like a light brown, gray. Then you have like this mustard color. It's got a lot of really nice fallish colors. Really soft. Sometimes I worry about sweaters because I do have sensitive skin. So certain kinds of materials make me itch. Like really bad, like almost break me out. They itch so bad. Really, I'm sending this back because of the reaction that my mom had. Now, let me just say that I'm not sending it back solely on that reason. That is a reason, and that was such a strong reaction that I was just like, oh, that's number one reason. But also, it just was like frumpy on me. And if you've been around all my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know I do not like that frumpy look. So that is the main reason why I'm sending it back. It was a little too boxy on me, even though like cozy sweaters are supposed to have that more boxy look to them. I want something that's a little bit more narrow through here. Not necessarily fitted, just a little bit more narrow. And then my mom's like, just strong reaction to it. Cause I showed her the video of me trying it on and she was like, no, no way. And I was like, you're the boss. Sure thing. I was like, my judgment is clouded because I was just like, cozy sweater. So I will be sending this one back. The more I look at it, the more I don't know, it's a lot going on. I generally like to stick with solid colors or like a solid color with some kind of print on it. So like this navy top with the white stripes, I do like that. When you get a whole lot of colors going on, unless it's like a floral print or something like that, it's a little too busy. Goodbye, sweater. You were warm. So the final item is the one that I'm keeping. So if you remember back the beginning of this video where I was talking about what I'm keeping, I am keeping the backpack. there. So this backpack is by Melie, Bianco, and it is the Lannie structured backpack. Now this does retail for $58. Normally I would not keep something like that, but there are a few reasons why I am gonna keep this one. One is that I do have some credit from people signing up with my link. To those people who have, thank you so much. That is how I can kind of continue with doing this. By the way, my referral link is in the description below if you're curious to sign up yourself. You can go check it out and help me continue with this on my channel. But anyway, the other reason why I'm keeping this is because I have a small like black backpack that I take when I am traipsing about and I just want a backpack as opposed to a purse, but it's really small. Like so small it can't fit a wallet in it. You have to like take everything out of your wallet and just like shove it in a pocket. That's very unsafe. So I wanted something a little bit bigger, but still very stylish. Enter this one. And the main reason why I'm keeping this, I'm so glad that Stitch Fix has this option on their website, like when you're going through the style guide, is that you can pick to not have like any animal products, so like no leather sent to you. And this tag right here says certified vegan. It is vegan approved by PETA, which PETA is not necessarily like the best company to do that, but it says this bag has been handcrafted with love from luxury vegan leather. That makes me very happy. Yes, it's $58, but with promo credit, it's not gonna end up being $58. It is a nice big backpack. I didn't do a try on with it just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it and I didn't want to do a try on with the plastic on it. But it's a nice big backpack. It's got the nice little fake clip here, but the part that you actually open is right here with the magnet. I will say the one part that kind of gets me about this backpack are the fake little accents on there. These are all fake, like this little clip, fake. These zippers are fake. It purposefully like has this shut, and so like you can pull it down, but you can't pull it up much more. So it's fake, which gives it a cute little detail, but it'd be cool if it was real. But inside, it's a nice, spacious amount in there. I could get my full-size wallet in there just fine and get a whole bunch of other things in there like my cosmetics, which I definitely always have to take with me when I'm on the go, especially now because of mask wearing and you always gotta freshen up. After having this in my possession for a bit, I decided this was gonna be the item that I kept. It does have a zipper too, so it's not just like open when you flip this up. It does have a zipper as well. Makes it extra secure. I just really like this. This is something that I've been looking for, but didn't wanna go like too cheap on what I got. So I think this is a good compromise. So this is what I'm keeping. It's a backpack. So with everything involved, if I was keeping everything, the grand total would be $271.99. If I bought all 5 things, 25% off, which would take off $66 and bring it down to $203.99. It's a pretty expensive box. So, but I do have credit. On here, it's showing I only have $25 in credit, but according to the website, I have $75. So I may not have to pay for anything for the backpack and may have left over, which is cool. That being said, either way, I'm not gonna pay full price for the backpack. Again, thank you to those who do use my referral link to sign up with Stitch Fix. That is in the description below. It does give me a $25 kind of promo to use toward any purchases I make. So no pressure to sign up for it, but if you are interested, you're gonna help me out by clicking that link. So yeah, I'm very happy with the item that I am keeping. I really liked all the other ones too, other than the hoodie. The hoodie had a lot of problems with it, but you know, that's how the cookie crumbles. And then the other things, I just either had very similar items already, or people have a really strong reaction to the other ones, so that's how that goes. That was fix number 43. Hopefully they won't start sending me these fixes so fast. I don't know if they're like trying to make up for lost time from, you know, the beginning of the pandemic, but slow down guys, slow down, I can't keep up. Let me know in the comments below what item you liked. Please let me know if you liked the sweater, because like the more I looked at it, the more I disliked it, but I don't know if that was just because of my mom's strong reaction to it. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know in the comments below what item was your favorite. Let me know also if you get Stitch Fix and like what items you have been loving so that maybe I can check them out, because I like to see what other people are interested in. Even if we have like different styles and different tastes in things, I like to see what others are kind of keeping. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know. Even though I do, this is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.